Let's make easy cheesy lasagna with rich sauce, soft pasta, lot of melted cheese. So guys, let's get started. First, we make the meat sauce. Heat a little oil in a pan or pot, okay? Now add in your salt, chop onions. You can as well add your garlic, okay? Give it a nice stir and allow to saute for about 2 minutes. If today is your first time coming across this channel, thank you so much. Please do well to subscribe to our channel, like, share, comment, and also turn on your notification bell for more amazing recipes. To my returning subscribers, God bless you all. So guys, you go ahead and add in your minced meat or your grounded beef, okay? Now give it a nice stir and cook until it turns brown or well cooked.
I rise off like Sunday hug.
At this point, the beef is probably done, okay? Now add in your tomato sauce or tomato paste depending on the quantity or to your taste.
Say this food where you dey chop. Now prayer she put on top.
Make sure you mix properly until it is well combined.
Oh, make you high. In no fake, now real love true. She dey pour, I'm just for you. MIRA'S kitchen like the show. Our spirit warm, my rhythm slow. You go taste them, you go feel. Say this kitchen love be real.
Now that everything is well mixed, go ahead to add in any seasoning of your choice. So here I added curry powder, oregano, some seasoning cubes, add to your taste.
She go smile, say come chop, no need to rush. This food not get this love, no hush. Mira.
Mix properly until it is well combined. I went ahead to add in some mixed vegetables. This is totally optional, okay? Once you are done with that, give it a nice stir until it is well combined. I added some lasagna sauce, okay? I mixed this with water. I got this from the shop, but as well, it is optional, okay? It's not a must. And you must be mindful of the quantity of water that you are adding, okay? Once you are satisfied with that, go ahead and adjust for salt or seasonings, okay?
You go taste them, you go understand. She know they rush, she they move soft.
At this point, I am really satisfied with the quantity of water, the thickness. I'm okay with it. So I go ahead to cover and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes or until it boils. Yeah. Some minutes later, I checked on the sauce. Wow, the aroma coming out from this kitchen, honestly, you cannot resist it. So I went ahead to give it a nice stir and our sauce is ready. Now we build the lasagna. So you get your saucepan or your baking pan, your baking dish, yeah, depending on what you are going to be using. So I went ahead to spread a little meat sauce on the bottom of the baking pan, baking dish, alright.
I rise off like Sunday hug. Soup they warm like grandma's rug. No recipe, now feeling she used. Now memory she they produce. As she turn her ways they go. She they dance.
Now that I'm done with this, I went ahead to place the pasta sheet on top.
Oh, MIRA'S kitchen, joy they fly. Everybody go make you high. Ain't no fake, not real love true. She dey pour, I'm just for you. Mira's kitchen like the show. Our spirit warm, my rhythm slow. You go taste them, you go feel. Say this kitchen love be real. She go smile, say come chop, no need to rush. This food not get, this love no hush. Mira, oh mira. Mira de
And add more sauce.
mira de love. In every bite, a gift from above. Oh, mira. Oh, yeah, yeah. Mira, mira de cool. With love in our hand, you go taste time, you go understand. Oh, mira. She know they rush, she they move soft. Fire low, but her heart they hot. Tomato sweet, like pepper right. She dey cook peace for your night. She dey chop small, dance small too. Waiting she
Then I went ahead to add my cheese. Okay, add this cheese to your taste. Some people don't like too much cheese, while some do. Okay, yeah, I love this in my lasagna. All right, so that is it, beautiful people.
Mira's kitchen where so the rest. Her food go beat for
At this point, repeat the layers with the pasta, sauce, cheese until you reach the top.
I rise soft like Sunday hug. Soup they warm like grandma's rug. No recipe, not feeling she use. Now memory she they produce. As she turn her ways they go. She they dance and you go know. Say this food where you they chop. Now prayer she put on top. Oh me that's kitchen, jaw they fly. Everybody go make you high. Ain't no fake, not real love true. She dey pour, I'm just for you. Mira's kitchen like the show. Our spirit warm, my rhythm slow. You go taste them, you go feel. Say this kitchen love be real. She go smile, say come chop, no need to rush. This food not get, this love no hush. Mira, oh mira. Mira de cool, mira de love. In every bite, a gift from above. Oh, mira.
Finish with extra cheese for a nice golden crust.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Mira, Mira de cool, with love in her hand. You go taste time, you go understand. Oh, Mira. She know they rush, she they move soft. Fire low, but her heart they hot. Tomato sweet, like pepper right. She dey cook peace for your night. She dey chop small, dance small too. Waiting she give, you go heal you. Na kitchen be a sacred place, where she dey smile with gentle grace. Oh, Mira.
Cover the dish with foil for the first 20 to 25 minutes, okay? So the top doesn't burn. You can as well remove the foil for the last 10 to 15 minutes to brown the cheese. This is optional, okay? Bake it until the cheese is golden brown and well cooked. Place in the oven and bake for about 30 to 45 minutes. 45 minutes later, voila! Take it out and let it cool for a few minutes, for about 5 to 10 minutes.
Soup they warm like grandma's rock. No recipe, not feeling she use. Now memory she they produce. As she turn her ways they go. She they dance and you go know. Say this food where you they chop. Now prayer she put on top. Oh me that's kid.
At this point, let's go ahead to cut lasagna.
Just for you. Me that's kitchen like the show. Our spirit warm, my rhythm slow. You go taste time, you go feel. Say this kitchen love be real.
Look at this. Look at this. So cheesy and delicious. One bite and you will love it. I mean, you will love it. So, beautiful people, this tasted so super delicious that you cannot resist. Homemade is the best. If you will be trying out this recipe, let me know what you think in the comment section. Enjoy in whichever way you like, in whichever way you prefer. Thank you for watching. Bye.